Hi there YouTubers, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to replace your CLS radio antenna. Well, this antenna is loose and it is busted. Just to prove to you guys. Now what we're going to do is I got a replacement antenna. Here's the replacement. So when I first did this, I damaged it a little bit by taking it off, so I just put this one back. But it would be different on yours. Usually what you would do is you would just pick it at the side. But it's an old radio and wasn't really afraid to break it. But I'm using a T9 screwdriver. There's a screw here, screw there, and screw there, and screw there. We're going to unscrew these. It's an easy repair. I never did this before, and I did take it apart though, just to see, how it would be. I'm going to do the ones at the top here. Just try to get this one screw out. There it is. Okay. Now we can just pry it open. Alright, be careful though, speaker wires. Now, you also gotta do that. That's also a screw that needs to be taken out. I'll just put that over here so I'm not getting them mixed up. Lift up on the board. Okay, there's the antenna. So I make sure I got it lined up correctly. So that's how it's going to sit in now. Okay. I want to show you guys how to line it up. It's going to go in like that. Little antenna. New antenna. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I'm putting it back together. Just gonna line it up. Just line up the board. Now, just because it's, you know, just make sure that when you put in the screws, it'll line up. Yeah, I bought the radio off eBay, and the person who had it previously didn't really take care of it. I knew the antenna was loose, and I figured I'll make a YouTube video on how to replace them. I noticed there's a lot of people that use these radios, they end up damaging up their antennas, and should have put that on first to cover. But it's a pretty easy fix. Well, I didn't line up that good. Alright, there it goes. Snapped into place. Good, good. Now I got that in the back. Oh, okay. I reversed it. I was doing it right, I just, I get confused. had a senior moment. Dang. I noticed like a lot of people that have damaged antennas, they usually put tape on them. But it's an easy fix. I'll put in the description too where I bought the antenna and the screwdriver where I got that from. And let's put this plate on there. Alright. So I want to grab my battery. And my butt clip, put that back on. Let's see, does she work? Yep, and she does work. And yep, not loose. Not loose. Alright, well, if you like the video, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Even if you have questions, please comment, rate. please comment, rate, and subscribe if you liked the video. If you want to comment on the video too, please go right ahead.